Right, I'm in my M2 and it's a lunchtime, so I thought I'd come out for a quick spin. Engine is reasonably warm, so let's go. Careful today because it's 5 degrees, I've got cold tyres and it's very greasy and very slippery outside. 6 to 9 degree tyre temperatures. But yeah, nothing special in this drive. I'm just on my lunch at work, so I thought I'd pop out, get the engine warm and take it for a quick 10-15 minute spin around some back roads. And I'll be doing a left-hand turn in a minute because there's a lovely stretch of road coming up. People are probably looking at me thinking, what is that guy doing? Because I've got a big GoPro on my head. Whoa, you okay? You're in the middle of the road. Well, I don't think that old guy knew what he was doing, and the guy behind the truck wasn't happy with what he was doing. Oh, this is quite good at me. See if you can get some of this tunnel. Woohoo! That was slippy. You've definitely got to be respectful with the power this time of year and be just gentle and progressive with the accelerator and the gear changes. Sometimes a gear change, especially when the car's in Sports Plus, can snap the back wheels. I had that on the motorway the other day actually. I was accelerating 4th to 5th and the gear change knocked the traction a bit. The back end definitely slipped a little bit. Nothing major, but just a little. And that's Prescott Hill Climb. Famous, of course, for racing cars as quickly as possible up the hill. This piece of road in the summer is brilliant. You can really take some speed around the corners, but in the winter, in a rear-wheel drive M2, I've got to be a little bit more careful. Definitely can't go as all out as you do in the dry weather. So what I tend to do when I can't drive quite as I would in the summer, I just tend to hang on to the gears for longer, so at least I get that emotion and that engine noise. Definitely got a weird look from that car then. My camera on my head. I think I'm going to try and find somewhere to turn around and do that road again. Oh, that was a bump. Sometimes I hate turning this car around in a quick manner like this, where you might be blocking a road, because with the DCT, there you go, I pressed the accelerator then at least a second and a half before the power came in. Woohoo! Yeah, absolutely no grip today on these cold tyres and these greasy roads. As I will demonstrate again. Second gear, Sport Plus. There you go, cuts the power in eventually. A little bit more grip here. A little bit of back end coming out. Because we're in Sports Plus, so it does allow some slip, but it still brings you back in if it feels the back end is coming out too much, because I can feel the power being cut then. And we'll just go back and do that piece of road again. What is it with people driving just over on the wrong side of the road today? And we are clear. Woo! So careful, look how greasy and wet these roads are, they're so slippy. You've got to be so aware of braking distances, and putting too much power down that could really just bring the back end out. But it's all part of the experience, it's all good fun. Love this piece of road. It's only a couple of miles long, but just doing it there and back, such good fun, especially in the summer. Woohoo! Everywhere. There's just no point in washing the car this time of year. Traction going again. So my tyre setup at the moment, I think I'll do a separate video on my tyres at the moment, because I have just replaced the front two, but they're just cold at the moment, and they're providing reasonable grip for the conditions, but I can definitely tell the difference compared to if they had a bit of temperature in them. I'm checking now, we've been driving for about 15 minutes and they've come up slightly, but they're still by no means what I would call hot or anywhere near warm. It's a shame there's a cyclist going through this tunnel, because could have done a bit of a tunnel run. So much fun. You don't even need to be going fast in this car to have a bit of fun. Back end coming out a bit in a controllable way, revving out the gears and listening to the sound of that beautiful 3 litre. Yeah, it's good fun. Right, well, I think I'm going to pull into this garden centre here and finish off, because I'm only on my lunch from work, so I can't be out for too long, and also I don't want to use up too much fuel, because there are a lot of apples, aren't there? It's nice. Yeah, I don't want to use too much fuel because I only filled up last night and I've probably done about 30 miles and I've already used a considerable amount. But yeah, just a quick drive out along a cool little road that's about 5 minutes away from my house. That's for the laughs. Let's see what we've done. 31 miles per gallon, which I actually don't think is too bad. I reset that last night when I filled up coming back from Caffeine and Machine. So that was a bit of a spirited drive coming back from Caffeine and Machine, and then that drive that I've just done then. So actually that's not too bad. But yeah, I'll leave it there and I'll see you in the next video.